Hello internet and welcome back to some more Dog and Bird gaming. So we are playing Break-In Story, and unfortunately I am kid and Birdie is adult. Yeah, but I'm weaker, but I have sword. Yay. Yeah, you just bonk people's brain. Apple. Yes, I stole the apple. Like, was it from like this drawer? Oh, I just ate it immediately. Yeah, it's just like, oh, everyone gets an apple now. Hold up, Aranza. Let go. Aranza, come here. Yay. This is where we're always gonna sleep. What is this? Alright. Honestly, what is with the pink room and the girls? Like every single time, every single thing that's pink, a girl goes to. It's very true. Let me hold up, Aranza, look. Let's fill up this room with the toilet paper. Let's overflow this room with toilet paper. Let's overflow the bathroom. Aranza, come follow me. Let's just keep enabling the toilet. Let's flush the toilet. Yeah, you keep flushing the toilet rapidly. I'll do the toilet paper. Oh no, we have to go to sleep. Or maybe not. Oh, wait, it just ruined our process. Hold on. I'm gonna stay at the door. Hey, you. Would this guy just get out of the way for 1 second? Yeah, but this random guy won't let me tap the door. Let me get the door. I'm gonna get the door. Let me pry open the door. Pry it open with the sword. Get it. Come on. Open it. Yes! Let's go! Hey, now you get the pizza. And I'm slicing my sword. No, I'm going up. Hey, it slammed the door on me. Give me the... Oh, I got a big boy slice. Hold up, Aranza. Hold up. I'm gonna go on the top of the table. Oh, I got an even bigger slice. I got an even bigger slice than big. Hold up, Aranza. Go on. Hold up, Aranza. Come to my slice of pizza. I'm gonna feed it to you. I'm gonna feed the pizza to you. Hold up, Aranza. Come here. Hold up. Nom. Yes! No, you do not get to... No! Yes! Nom. Alright, let's see what... Now it's time to whack you with the sword. Wait, I'm stabbing you in the belly.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
No, I'm not.
The purge has begun. Villains are on the loose and should be avoided. Do not engage them, or you may be injured or killed. Aids are being invaded and destroyed. I repeat that this is not a drill. Stay inside. Protect your families.
No.
Keep doors locked and windows closed. Use boards to secure your windows and doors.
I don't know why.
Their leader is Scary Larry. If you see him, you need to run or hide.
Just censors everything, and I don't know why. Like, it's not even a bad word, and they just censor it. Oh no. Why does this guy say hopefully nothing to worry about? Like, there's literally villains trying to kill you. There's literally... at what I just posted in the chat. Can you say it?
Because there's nothing to worry about.
Yeah, but hold on. Yup, they just broke into our room. Oh wait, no, they didn't. Hold up, Aranza. Try to. Aranza, try to. Hey, don't try to do that. I'm the child. I am the child here, and you do. And, haha, you cannot whack me under here. Oh no! Look what I just typed. Look what I typed. Look at what I typed in chat. Oh come on! It's censored what I put in the chat. What the heck is wrong? What is wrong with Roblox? No, we're not gonna migrate. No. Hey, this guy stole the window I was boarding up. There was someone who stole the window I was boarding up. Look, I wanna get this window. I wanna get this window right here. Hold up, yeah, let's go downstairs and protect the other people. Let's see if we can both be the people who protected the house the most. Wait, why does it look like that there's two windows that are boarded up on one? Like this, hold up. Yes, it's really good, yeah. We should board it up. I'll close it off. I'll board it up. I'll close it off. I'll board it up. I'll close it off. I'll board it up. Look, I got some wood. Oh no. Oh no. The cat's just like, arm scratchers, get your arm scratchy. Why can't I do this window? Oh wait! Come to the toilet. It saved our progress. Keep doing this. Keep protect the wood. Yep, board up the toilet the most. Board up the toilet. Board up the toilet. Keep doing the toilet paper thing. We already just did the doors so much. We already did the door a lot. Oh, yeah, because, yeah. You did a great job. Oh, perfect! A perfect job! No way! No way we just caught that up. Ah! You know that why? What? I meant to say good job. I meant to say good job. Good knob. What the heck? What the heck? What is with corrections these days? Like we should make a series of where we should make a series of. We should make a series of when. Oh, I got one! I got a pizza. What am I? Oh, I got a bit. Hold up. Let's see what slice. Oh, I got a medium. I got a medium pizza. Oh no! Oh no! Man. Hello. Look what I typed in. Hello. Oh no, oh no, hopefully nothing to worry about. You said they would hold them back perfectly. Like, how did we get that freaking perfect? Yeah, but I helped. I think I was the third best because I boarded up the toilet. Oh, they're right. Oh yeah, yeah. Only one of them got it this time. Only one of them. Only one of them got it. Oh. Dude, we might get a perfect speed run here. Yeah, because it's like a story mode game. You can't do a speed run. But this is gonna be like a perfect run. This is a perfect run. And I helped though. Yeah, it's ours because we are a dog and bird and we are a team.
Well, actually, I did it.
Yeah, but we both did it. But we still both did it because we are dog and bird and we are a team. Why did you say the boards weren't enough to hold them when it yeah, it literally said you got a perfect job at it and you said it. Okay. I thought it said dummy for a second. No, I thought it said dummy. Hold up, I need it. Hold on, I can't. Where are you? I can't even talk. Wait, like I can't even talk. Oh, in the kitchen. Yeah, I'm in the big Nether Portal frame. Oh no. Scary Larry. Hold on. I jumped out of the frame. I jumped out of the big Nether Portal frame and Scary Larry didn't even see me. Go. I did that. Hello. Oh! Oh, yeah. What is this? Oh, it's a hammer. It's a hammer! You could literally get a hammer and bonk someone in the brain hole. You could literally bonk someone in the brain. Hold up, let's try to kill everyone in this game. Let's try to kill our teammates. We're ganging up against them. We're ganging up. Wait, you actually killed? Oh! I'm trying to kill someone. Get out. Get absolutely bombed. Oh, someone's got the right. I got a freaking fork. This guy isn't even helping. This guy's literally just running away. Get out. I'm spam tapping. Die. Give me. No, I didn't. Oh, I did get them. I just realized there's some cash. Yes, I'm getting all the money.
Oh my god, I'm getting hit by me.
I just got $50. I have $50. I'm trying to go to full HP for the Scary Larry boss. Oh wait, I could have done the medic. I could have done the.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
I could have done the one with the. I could have done the The one with the med. Oh, I am gonna die here. I don't even have that much Robux. I don't even have that much Robux. Just do that cash. Do that cash. I'm gonna get a med kit. I'm gonna get a med kit. I'll get a med kit. I'll get a med kit. I'll get a med kit. I have $80. I have 80 monies. Oh, there's a cat. Stay down here. Cat, stay. Stay there, cat.
I'm super low.
Oh, I don't have a med kit. I don't have a med kit. I'm sorry. Come on, bro. This dude. Oh, he's baiting the guy out. He's baiting the bad guy out. He's baiting him out. Go. Yes. Oh, look. I'm gonna give you $100.
I'm gonna die.
I have $90. I have freaking $90. Oh. All right, but you get the green. I'm gonna go with the red bed. I'm gonna do the red bed. Not my problem. No! Someone stole my bed! Hey, you idiot. I'm gonna whack this person when they wake up. They're gonna get absolutely bopped when they wake up. I'm gonna have to, you know what, I'm about to push the chat. I need sleep. How can you not go an entire night without sleep?
I've done that before, actually.
Like, how do you do it? I'm gonna look for some cash. I'm gonna try to look for some cash. I'm
It's very
looking.
simple, just stay awake.
Someone found it. Someone found some sodas. Someone found some sodas.
Yes!
Give me the sodas. Give me the soda. Hey! You stole the soda. Get out of here. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're absolutely done. I have $90, so I might have enough money to afford two. I might have enough money to afford two, but
How much money do you have?
90.
Oh, I think you're
Don't slip on the ice, and you might hurt yourself.
because I think you're actually
What?
I
Jeez.
need to survive. I need to
Yeet. Nope, I'm not stepping on that ice. I'm not stepping on the ice. Oh, you can buy like $1. $1 equals 1 Robux. Oh, $40. Give me that medkit. Give me that medkit. Hold on. Hold on. I cannot. I didn't. I can't. You people get out of Birdie's way. Get out of Birdie's way. I'm trying. I don't know. Okay, there we go. What health are you? Hi. What the? You're not getting healed. You're not getting healed. You're not getting the. You're not. This person's not getting healed because she stepped in front of you. She's right in front of you. I can get a teddy. I got a teddy.
What is it?
It makes you. Yeah, it gives you like. It's basically just. So it makes basically if you're in Minecraft, you can have a teddy bear. If you had a teddy bear in Minecraft, you can just store potions inside of it, but they would most likely be invisibility potions. It would be like you're eating the teddy. I'm using the teddy. I'm gonna use the teddy. And I'm also gonna be using this med kit.
I'm gonna change to Teddy next time.
Yeah, change to the teddy. Yeah, but you have to be a kid to do that. You have to be a kid.
No, I'm gonna be a kid. And
We're both gonna be the We're both gonna be the Wan children.
We're just gonna
No, wait, we're gonna become the baby. We're gonna become the baby. You're the only old man. Hard parenting. Do you think we're gonna open the door? Don't open it. Why? Okay, I'm gonna help you fight. We're we all help. Someone said dot. Someone just said D-O and then there's a space. Honestly, why would you open that? It's obvious, like, they did give you the pizza. They did give you the pizza. But why would you open the door? Because they're trying to kill you. They're trying to freaking murder you. I have my sword. Defeat the pizza guy, yeah. We want our pizza. We ordered the pizza. I need a minute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I only have 3 charges left on my med kit. I'm on low. I'm hiding. I'm running. Oh wait, he did deliver the pizza. I can heal myself. I have 4 items in my inventory. I nummed the pizza. Okay, I did not try to take 2. I need it. Your charge. Shut. Hold on. Okay, I actually have some charges on the thing. He's stunned. I'm spamming right now. Oh no. I'm gonna have to hide. Oh, he's going upstairs. Yo, this is the longest fight ever. I don't even think anybody has me. Can you actually help us? Oh my god. You people are idiots. You're not even helping. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say to these people. That's what I'm trying to say to these idiots. Ow. Oh no, it says hurry up. Okay, I only have 1 charge left. I'm not gonna help any of the other people. Yep. I need to use the teddy. I used the teddy. Oh wait. Why can't I become invisible? Oh, I'm very low. I can't help anymore. It said hurry up without hurry. I think we just finished it. The one and only Bird and CHD Pizza 2013 have finished. We did the final blow. fine. It's fine. Look what I posted in chat. Say it. Say it. Yes. Oh man, I'm on low energy, so I'm gonna have to find lots of food in the house. I am at low energy. Oh no, they broke into our room? Are you kidding me? At a time like I became invisible with the teddy. I'm invisible with the teddy. I'm invisible with the teddy. Oh no, my thing just ran out. My teddy just ran out for a second. Oh, I think we did it. Oh, I have no money left. I have no money. Oh my goodness. Lots of these people are not helping. Like May and Marceline are not helping at all. Like they're not like those like May and Marceline are not helping. Yeah, they're not even. They were like during the Pizza Man boss fight. They were not even helping. Like they were not even. Oh no, I need to find the sewer real quick. I hope my phone does not die because it's on low battery. Go. Go to the sewer and get in the sewer. I think I just got everyone in the sewer. I'm gonna need the charger real quick. Quick charger. No. Why are you watching that show?
Zach, are you in the sewer?
Yes, I'm in the sewer, but I needed a charger. I'm coming. They have no clue. I'm just trying to get. I'm so fast. Okay, I'm drowning. I got +0 energy. I'm dead.
Where are you?
I'm dead.
Oh, you're dead.
Wah.
I'm dead.
Man, I'm dead.
I hate you.
Oh, come on.
I hate these people.
I need to get some Robux.
Bro!
Okay,
I saved this kid and they did nothing.
Oh, hello there. Hey there. All right, so we're gonna have to end this video here because we did not beat the game.
Because of some stupid kid. If you're out there, if you're watching this video, I hate you.
Yeah, if you're those people who were in that game. Yeah, if you did that to Birdie and me, we will come to your house. You will regret it. You will definitely regret it.
Don't worry, we're doing a part 2.
Yes, we will do a part 2 of this. But this video is unfortunately gonna have to end. So
Right here, right now. Bye-bye, guys.
bye-bye.
My channel, Gaming Birdie, and have a good day.
Subscribe to Gaming Birdie